Would you like to know a quick way to make logos even if you know nothing about graphic design? If your answer was yes, then stick with me for a few minutes because I'm about to show you how to quickly make professional looking logos in 2 minutes. Hey, I'm Claude from Internet Marketing Tools, Tips and Tricks, and in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a logo that you can use on your site or just sell it on freelancing sites. In order to do this, you'll need to go and sign up for a free account on this site, designevo.com, or just click this Make a Free Logo button and it will start to show all these ready-made templates. As you can see, there are a ton of them, so you can choose something from here or you can filter them from these categories on the left side. If you have some specific word in mind, you can even put it here in the search box and press enter. Let me start with this template to give you a quick tour of how to use this online logo maker. Here you can give it a name and a slogan, but if you don't have something ready, you can skip these steps. On the next page you'll find some notifications on how to use this application. And you can modify the text on the template. I'm gonna write here security. Let me change the colors of this logo. Just click on it and from here you can choose another color. You can choose a solid color from here, or you can change these colors by pressing the plus sign and choose a totally different color like this. If you have a hex code, you can copy it and paste it to the other part of the logo. That's how easy it is to create a logo, and you can immediately download it. Or if you want, you can preview it and it will give you a quick show on how it will look on different surfaces. You can also change the text font from here. You can change the font size, color, you can make it bold, italicized, or all caps. From here you can give it a special effect like shadow or glowing effect, and you can change its opacity. And from here you can make other formatting. Let me give more spacing between the letters. On the left side you can also find shapes to add to the logo. Let me add this one and arrange it and make it bigger. Also change its color. From here you can also position it below the slogan. Let me arrange a little better the slogan with the arrow keys, and I also curve it. You can add other shapes. And you can change its background. Right now it has a transparent background, but you can change it to a solid color like this, or even to a gradient color, but I leave it to transparent. If you've made a mistake, you can undo from here, and after you're okay with the logo, you can download it. And you are brought on the pricing page. But if you want the logo for free, you can still download it from this link as a small resolution file. If you need it in a bigger resolution, you can choose between the basic package, where you have up to 5000 pixels, transparent background, lifetime support, and it's rendered print ready, or the plus package, where you have more options. Don't forget that for these prices you can use the logo on sites, mugs, caps, different prints or t-shirts. Okay, so I'll download the file from free, and now it pops up this sign up form where you can sign up with Google, Facebook or your email. I already have an account, but I'll log in with Google this time. And here I am back on the logos page. I save it. Here I have the other logos I've done in Design Evo, and I can access or edit them anytime. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to create professional looking logos with this online app, Design Evo. And if you're interested in taking one of the premium packages, I can offer you a 10% discount on any of them if you click on my affiliate link that you can find below this video. So you pay less if you buy it through my affiliate link. As you can see here, there are a lot of logo templates. There are hundreds upon hundreds of logos. So you can use them to add more to your pricing as a web designer, graphic designer, on the freelancing sites or on the print-on-demand sites. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and get notified by turning on the bell icon, so you can see when I upload the next video. That could be of great help to you. This was Claude from Internet Marketing Tools, Tips and Tricks speaking to you. If you want to ask me something or comment on this video, do it below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.